friends, welcome to Paperio Responsive and Multipurpose WordPress blog theme. In this video we will show you how to install and activate Paperio theme via WordPress and import demo data. We will also show you how to install and activate required and recommended plugins. Installing a theme through WordPress is easy and simple process. Log in into WordPress admin section and navigate to Appearance, Themes from Admin panel sidebar. Click on Add New and click the Upload Theme button. Select paperio.zip file which is downloaded from Theme Forest and click on Install Now button. Now click on Activate to activate installed Paperio theme. After activation of Paperio theme, you will be redirected to welcome screen where you can see notification message to install and activate required and recommended plugins. Paperio theme required Paperio add-ons plugin and it is already included in theme files. Paperio recommended contact form 7 and MailChimp for WordPress plugins. Now you can start installing plugins by simply click on Begin Installing Plugins button and select all plugins, select Install and Apply. All plugins are installed. Now go to Install Plugins, select all plugins and activate it. All plugins are installed and activated. Now you can check front end of website to check installed theme. Next step is import demo data. Go to Appearance and click on Demo Import. Click on the Install button for demo which you like. We are going to install default demo data. Just click on Install button. Select all content. This will import all data related to navigation menu, posts, pages, media, customizer, contact form, widgets, and MailChimp form. Now click on OK button. Import demo data will take few seconds. Demo data imported successfully. Now you can check front end of website. Just refresh the page. Wow, awesome, it looks amazing site. Now you can start updating content, images and create your awesome blogs. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.